Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we already completed some of our Agentblazer Legend series modules and projects, now let's take up one more module called Agent Customization with Apex, and you will find all this module answer in our channel under a playlist called Agentblazer Legend. Do check that. Now let's take up our first challenge. So for this challenge we would require special developer edition OG to be connected. So once if you sign up, make sure to connect your org and then just click on launch after connecting, and go to Einstein setup. Make sure to turn on this Einstein, and then in quick find, let's search for agent. You will get an option called agent force agent. Just click on that and make sure to turn this as well on. Agent force should be on, and then if you scroll down, enable the agent force default agent. So we have to toggle this on. So once if you complete these both, this challenge will pass. Click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.